Hi everyone and welcome to the Mushroom Den. So today I wanted to share with you my homini stew recipe. And I know you might be thinking not beans, not chickpeas, but homini. But trust me, this is one of those dishes that at first you're like, I'm not sure if I want to try it. But once you do, you might find yourself going for seconds and third, and you might even fight for that last scoop in the pot. So now, if you've never heard of homini before, it's actually dried corn kernels that have been treated with an alkali solution, which not only helps soften the kernels, but it also enhances their flavor and nutritional value. I think you can find canned homini in the international aisle of most grocery stores in the US. Once you've totally rinsed out your homini, set it aside and let's work on our ingredients. The goal is to load the dish with as much nutrition as possible, and so to begin I'm going to start by finely mincing my onions. Next we're going to chop our bell peppers, and here I'm going for the full rainbow. I think they add beautiful colors to the final dish. Moving on with the carrots, peel and chop them, as well as a few fresh tomatoes. Chopping up some herbs. One of my favorite is sage. It has a very strong and earthy aroma that works perfectly well in dishes that are warm and comforting in general, like this one. An equally important herb is rosemary, which has a much bolder flavor and a slightly bitter taste that helps balance out all the other sweet ingredients we're adding to the dish. Next, I love to work with the whole garlic, peeling it off myself, or in this case with the help of my most trusted sous chef. I think you get the most amount of flavor in freshly peeled garlic, plus it's very therapeutic to peel it, smash it, and then mince it out yourself. Finally, we're just going to prep our ginger and get it ready for grating later. And also chop some green onions, totally optional, but I think they're a great addition to the dish. Now in a large pot over medium heat, drizzle some olive oil and saute the onions and garlic until they are fragrant and translucent. Next, grate in the ginger. Then add your carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes, followed with your herbs. Now I like to add a whole sprig of thyme and let the flavors infuse into the stew as it simmers. Moving on to our seasoning, starting with garlic powder, onion powder, followed by what I call the cozy spice duo, which is smoked paprika, lots of it, and ground cumin. I think these two spices combined epitomize comfort in dishes like this one. Then of course you want to add your salt and pepper to taste. Stir well to combine and let cook for about 5 minutes until the vegetables start to soften. Go ahead and add the homini to the pot and give it a good mix. Now here you have two options. You can either add a couple of cups of broth to turn the whole thing into a soup, or you can just add a little bit of water like I'm doing here and keep it as a stew. And of course you want to adjust the salt to taste. And let the whole thing simmer on medium-low for about 15 more minutes. Add your green onions. And don't forget to remove the sprig of thyme before serving. Now this is comfort in a bowl. It is perfect for those cozy evenings. It's full of flavors, packed with nutrition, plus the homini texture complements the veggies in the stew so well. So if you haven't had homini before, I really hope you consider adding it to your grocery list next time you shop. If you've had it before, let me know in the comment section below how you cook it where you're from. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I'm sure you also love my chickpea curry recipe that I'm going to link somewhere on the screen and also in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and on to the next video. As always, have a blessed one.